With iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max, Apple introduced a dual SIM card. First is eSIM and second is physical SIM card. But not every iPhone is eligible for either eSIM or physical SIM. Therefore, in this video, we will talk about using dual SIM card on your iPhone, and at the same time, you'll be able to know either your phone is eligible for eSIM card or physical SIM card. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now, to add eSIM card on your iPhone, the first things you want to do, just go ahead and open up your settings. Scroll down to your cellular and then scroll down to your add cellular plan and go ahead and tap add cellular plan. As soon as you do it, now it will ask you for the QR code on your eSIM card. Now go ahead and add your eSIM card, and now at this point, if you want to know which provider are giving you the eSIM card for your region, you simply can follow the given list on our screen that we are showing you now. Now, to use dual physical SIM on your iPhone, you gotta check whether are you eligible for that or not. Now, to check it out, you simply can select your SIM tray to check. And then I want you to take a close look on the SIM tray here, okay? Alright guys, now talk about the SIM tray on our iPhone. Here, as you guys can see, this one is actually a little bit different because it allows you to use dual SIM cards. So here we have the dual SIM tray right here. And compared to another one, it doesn't really have these options. So this is how you can know whether you can use dual SIM physically with your iPhone or not. Now, if you see it's available to SIM card, now all you want to do is just go ahead and grab your SIM card. So here's the two SIM card right here. Alright guys, so let me just place it in. Now, after installing your eSIM card on your iPhone, now just go ahead and tap OK. And now just click OK again, and now it is asking for add your data plan. So all I want you to do, just go ahead and continue with that process. Now go ahead and select either you want to set your eSIM card as a primary or secondary option. It depends on you. Now just go ahead and select any of those to move on. Now you also can choose default line either for primary or secondary. Now I'm going to choose primary and tap continue. And for your FaceTime as well, you also can choose primary and secondary. Afterward, click or tap continue. And now allow mobile, or also from here you choose your mobile data for your primary and secondary as well. And now scroll down and, well, let me just select that first. I'll choose primary, scroll down, tap continue. Now this is updated contact preferred lines. Now you can choose primary or secondary from here. So I'll choose primary and I'll tap continue. And now your setup is done. Alright guys, so this is how you can use dual SIM card on your iPhone, either using eSIM or using the physical SIM on your iPhone. If this video is useful, if you think so, be sure to hit the like button and feel free to subscribe to this channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.